Hi everyone, good morning from Shugara once again. And since we came here yesterday, we enjoyed a lot, especially when we went to the park nearby. And it's really great and beautiful place. You can have idea after seeing behind me or around me as well. So there's a wonderful saying came in my mind that time flies when we enjoy. This is absolutely correct, because when we enjoy with our family members, our friends, our colleagues, or with our group of friends or people, then time flies like this, and then we cherish those memories afterwards. So this is the same is happening with me here as well. I'm here with my friends and my team members, so enjoying a lot. So time is flying like this. So whenever you sit with your family members, friends, or colleagues, so remember, try to say good things, do good things, and you will see others would do the same, and time would fly like this, and then you would always cherish or remember those memories afterwards. So whenever you will watch this clip, please do like it and subscribe it as well. Stay happy and stay